Being more productive can significantly contribute to making more money in several ways. Here are some key ways in which increased productivity can positively impact your financial situation. 1. Time optimization. By being more productive, you can accomplish tasks and projects more efficiently, allowing you to save time. Time is a valuable resource, and when used effectively, it can lead to increased income-generating activities. You can allocate the saved time to focus on income-generating tasks or pursue additional opportunities that can boost your earnings. 2. Increased output. Improved productivity often leads to increased output. Whether you're working on a job, running a business, or freelancing, producing more within the same time frame can result in higher revenue. For instance, if you're a freelancer, being able to complete more projects within a given time frame can translate into more clients, more assignments, and ultimately more income. 3. Enhanced quality. Being productive doesn't solely mean completing tasks quickly. It also involves maintaining a high standard of work. By increasing your productivity, you can allocate more time to refine your skills, deliver better quality work, and provide superior products or services. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction, positive reviews, and ultimately higher revenue due to repeat business and referrals. 4. Pursuing additional income streams. When you become more productive, you may find yourself with extra time and energy to explore additional income streams. Whether it's starting a side business, investing in new ventures, or acquiring new skills to expand your offerings, being productive enables you to diversify your income sources and increase your overall earning potential. 5. Career advancement. Productivity is often valued and rewarded in the workplace. By consistently demonstrating high levels of productivity, you increase your chances of career advancement, salary raises, bonuses, or promotions. Climbing the corporate ladder or securing better job opportunities can lead to higher earning potential and improved financial stability. 6. Efficiency in financial management. Improved productivity can extend beyond your work or business tasks and encompass your personal financial management. By adopting productivity techniques and tools to manage your finances, such as budgeting, expense tracking, and automating repetitive tasks, you can optimize your financial decisions, save money, and invest more wisely, thereby increasing your wealth over time. Remember, while productivity is a valuable tool, it is essential to maintain a healthy work-life balance and take care of your well-being. Sustainable productivity can help you achieve financial goals while ensuring overall fulfillment and happiness.